Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to pair my new remote on my Fire Stick of TV for Insignia TV. Now, one way is using the mobile app, so go ahead and install Fire TV, okay, Amazon Fire TV on your device and open it up. And then what you need to do is select your Fire TV device. Okay, it may take a moment for your mobile device to register your new TV, and when it does, it will appear in the list of devices. Just follow the on-screen prompts to pair your device successfully, okay? And then once it is done, go ahead to your settings. This will be at the top or represented by this cog icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then I want you to click on controllers and Bluetooth devices. You can find this toward the bottom of the page, and then select Amazon Fire TV remote. So this is the first option, okay? And then just select add a new remote, and your TV will begin searching for a new remote. And just press and hold the home button on the new remote. This is the button with a house icon. You can see right there highlighted. Hold the button for about 10 seconds or until it's discovered in the list, and then just use the app to select the new remote. Once your new remote is registered with the TV, you'll see it in the list, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.